Hello everybody. We have a burning question that whether there will be new variant coming out of China, provided that there is 1.5 billion people almost in China, and now the virus is has been picking up recently. So it's certain that most of people will get it. Okay, let's look at what's the possibility on it. SARS-CoV-2 genome is RNA virus. So it's composed of 13 to 15 open reading frames and about 30,000 nucleotides. And a genome is kind of big for the RNA virus. But the question is the mutation rate. So what creates a variation in viruses is called by mutation. Mutation creates different alleles that our natural selection can act on. So mutation can be beneficial, means that virus can spread for the sense of virus, not for sense of the host. It can be beneficial or it can be neutral, means it's creating similar type of stain, so it doesn't have a spreading advantage. Or it can be deleted. Some virus stain never get through from one host to another because they die in the process because they don't have a beneficial or neutral type of mutations. So what is the RNA virus problem is the proofreading. Proofreading in DNA is or RNA is correcting errors in the process. That's very important. That eliminates a lot of mutations. Otherwise, there will be a lot of mutation. RNA viruses like SARS-CoV-2 has high mutation rate, which is a million times higher than their host like humans, which are correlated with enhanced virulence or evaluability. So that's an important point to consider. So SARS-CoV-2 has 1 out of million mutation per infection cycle, which is huge. So that's how infection cycle. Let's say one guy got the virus, then it spread to another. In the process, you have some mutations due to the problem of RNA virus. So if it's beneficial for that virus or neutral, it will spread to second one. Likewise, in the chain of events, the that's how beneficial mutations for the virus that spreads faster and they dominate. That becomes a new race. That's how new race are. So that's why usually with a large spread, large peaks, a lot of people infected, usually led to new variants of concerns. Like South Africa, beta variant come from South Africa, gamma variant come from Brazil, delta come from India. Remember that was very bad in pandemic there. Omicron is coming from South Africa or Western Europe. So you can see when there are significant number of people are infected, there is high chance that we have a new variant, of course. So China has 1.4 billion population, so of course there will be new variant, most likely. So the question is that whether this variant is more or less spreading, whether this has spreading advantage, or it cause more or less severe disease. If I have to bet on this, is more likely it's more spreading type of virus, but less severe. Hope, finger crossed. But we don't know yet. Once the pandemic is over, we'll know really if they will call this a new variant or just a sublineage of Omicron. So I hope that this helps to answer the question uh, regarding whether we'll have new variant coming out of China. If you like this uh, talk, we have more educational videos, more coursework related videos coming. So please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.